Let f of x equals x times the quantity x plus 6 times the quantity x minus 12 all over x squared plus 10x plus 21. Which of the following x values satisfies f of x is greater than or equal to 0? So let's just make this easy on ourselves. Plug in these numbers and find out what's positive. Now, I really don't care much about the numbers. Okay, I have parentheses, plus 6, parentheses, minus 12, and I'm purposely leaving myself some space because I don't want to overdo things. Parentheses squared plus 10 times parentheses plus 21. All right. So let's plug in -8, -8, -8, -8, -8. You become -8. You become -2. You become -20 all over 64 minus 80 plus 21. Negative times a negative times a negative is a negative. And 64 minus 80 is -16 plus 21 is a positive. So a negative divided by a positive is a negative. So you do not work. Now let's erase these because I did that on purpose. Oops. Let's erase those because I did that on purpose. And let's try it again with -4. Okay? Why am I talking like this? I don't know. But I've committed. And I'm sticking with it. Let's plug in -4, -4, -4, -4, -4. You become -4. You come to +2. You become -16. You become 16. You become -40. And you stay 21. -4 times 2, +2 times the -16 is going to be positive. 16 minus 40 is -24. -24 plus 21 is still negative, so you remain negative. So you don't work either. I don't like this problem. I don't like it one bit. Let's plug in 1 and hope that it doesn't really matter. Once I find out what happens, I have my answer. So it's either going to be 1 or 13. So let's plug in 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's going to get us 1 times +7 times -11 over 1 squared plus 10 times 1 plus 21. So that's negative number up top. 1 plus 10 plus 21 is positive. So you're negative, which means it must be you. So let's see, you would get, if I plug that in, you would get, positive times a positive times a positive over 169 plus 130 plus 21. Yeah, that's definitely going to be positives everywhere. All right, should have just gone with the big number first. Oh well. Good job by me.